Do you find accessorizing your home to be a struggle? Well, join me because I'm going to be starting a video series that is going to be dedicated to the art of accessorizing. Today's video is going to be all about accessorizing an entryway, so stay tuned. Before I jump into decorating this entryway table, I want to share with you one of my decorating rules, and I call it decorating in threes. And what I mean by that is, for the entryway table, I'm going to choose 3 things that are going to sit on top of that table. I follow that rule through with trays. I usually put 3 things on the tray. Really what it does is it helps eliminate clutter, and it just looks really visually appealing. I'm going to give you 4 easy steps to decorate an entryway. Your first step is with your choice of furniture. Now, I have a lot of clients that the entryway is pretty small, so I will choose a piece. I have a few favorites, but I have one that the depth is only 9 inches, and it's absolutely perfect. Doesn't take up too much room. Now, some people like an open console where there's a shelf on the top and a shelf on the bottom. Typically, I will choose one that's closed, and the reason is because I want to put a lamp in the entryway, and I can't stand seeing cords, so I'll choose a closed console so the cord doesn't show. Step number 2 is deciding whether you want to put artwork above your furniture piece or if you want to put a mirror. I go back and forth on those. If I have a client whose dining room is directly across from the hallway and they already have some art in their dining room, then I'm going to choose a mirror. If they want the mirror in the dining room, then I'm going to choose artwork above this piece. But typically, I choose artwork. Step number 3 is choosing your lamp. Now, if you have a wider piece of furniture, the lampshade's not going to be too important. The one I chose for mine has a round shape. However, if you have to use a more narrow console, it's best to choose a lampshade that is more in a rectangular shape and doesn't protrude out from the furniture piece. Now, a must-have for me is, and I've talked about these before, we call them the lamp clicker, but I have all my lamps plugged in because I'm a huge lamp person, but yeah. Step 4 is the fun part. That is adding the accessories. And if you remember what I said, decorating in 3, so my lamp is 1. The second thing I added was a floral. I'm a big floral person. And then the third thing was the tray in the middle. So in the tray, I have 3 books. On top, these cute little cast iron mice, a candlestick, and then one of my favorite go-tos is a flameless candle. Okay, so let's recap real quick. Number 1, furniture piece. Number 2, you're going to choose your artwork or a mirror. Number 3, you're going to choose your lamp that's going to go on top of your console. And number 4, the really fun part, your accessories. I hope this video was really helpful. I would love for you to leave a comment if there's a certain area that you would like me to talk about when it comes to accessorizing, just in case I don't have that on the list. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell because it'll tell you when I have a new video out. Have a wonderful day.